ELaiolithos Luxury Retreat in Naxos Island. It's up in the mountains of Naxos, and you can see it just up here behind me. But I'll put a better photo later on. I've just wandered across the road here and down, and I'm going to show you in 1 second, but this is their orchard. You can see fruit trees, beautiful olive trees that are just here, if you can see, glistening away in the sun. Just magical. I'm listening to birds chirping, goat bells ringing. It's peaceful, the occasional car or motorbike driving by. We met some people this morning that are hiking Mount Zeus, which is literally just over here past these olive trees. We've done a hike while we're here. It has been the most magical experience. Something I think that's uniquely Greece, and I feel like we've had a taste, or definitely had a taste because the food's amazing, but had a glimpse of the real Greece. The hospitality is second to none. It is sparkling with life and energy and warmth. Helen has been our host, and her staff here are phenomenal. You literally want for nothing. You have all the information you need. You have friendship. You feel welcome. You feel safe. You feel like you're part of their family. So I want to show you this, because this to me sums up this hotel. It's sustainable, 100% sustainable. If you want to know where your food comes from, that you've been eating, you will find out. You can go and visit the farm that the food has come from. This morning I asked about some eggs. I'm going to put a little video on here. I got an impromptu cooking class, which was magnificent. And I asked about the eggs, and I was given the entire back history on where the eggs came from, who grew them, what the chickens eat. It was crazy. Then I asked, there is olive oil in the kitchenette in our room. Where does it come from? Well, let me tell you. This is the olive oil that was in our room. And it comes from these olive trees. Everything you eat and everything you taste, everything you drink, the textiles in the room, the people that do the work, the marble that's in the room, everything is local. Everything is sourced within a 5-kilometre radius, max, I believe. It's healthy, it's organic, there's no sprays used. The soil here in Naxos, in the mountains particularly, is the most fertile of all the area of the island, and also the whole area of the Greek islands.
Oregano, Greek oregano of course. Tomatoes, chopped.
Sizzling.
Everything is cut now. And this is local sausages.
Oh wow.
Cut in pieces. And this is parsley. You see?
It's amazing.
Okay, so look. What's up? We'll put a little salt. We'll put a little pepper. Yeah. This is Pamela, eh?
Hello, Pamela.
So, I use 4 eggs for a good portion omelette. Do you see this?
Yes.
This is meat. We cut it from over there.
Wow.
Every morning. That's why we have the flower pots full of meat. So we're using most of the food, fresh meat. And you put again oregano. It gives a nice pepper. Here. Look. You see how it smells?
Beautiful.
Did you smell it?
I can smell it.
You have to use olive oil.
Growing
You
here.
don't use
Made
olive oil. Not growing here, grown down here.
Down the hill.
We have our own olive grove. The eggs are every day fresh. And we cut the ingredients now.
Fresh.
We do not pre-cut. You come over here, the time you are going to order this, that time we are going to make it.
Perfect.
Okay, so look.
Oh,
That's your omelette.
wow.
This is your reward for taking a video.
I will enjoy this. Fresh, local.
So look now.
Oh, bubbling.
You know, this is the crepe
I was wondering this.
pan.
It's a special pan
Yeah, we can make crepes with this. But I like the shape.
for the omelette.
Yes, for the omelette. It is not huge, it is not small. So I go around so the egg goes on the side.
This is
More
beautiful.
fresh than this, it cannot be done.
Yeah, definitely not. You can taste it. In the fruit before, the fresh, oh,
Okay, they just brought
tastes real.
Yes. Joel saw the other guest. He saw the people they brought it, my sister.
Yes,
So you see it?
magnificent.
Okay, look. Nice, eh?
Ah,
Very
beautiful.
good. Go like this. Tack.
Oh,
Right?
that is tricky.
Easy stuff. Easy. You know, simple, fresh. And you just go like this.
Tasty.
And it tastes delicious, you're gonna tell me.
I bet.
You see how nice it looks?
It's beautiful. Brown, crispy.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
You see? You put the little oregano. Okay. And a little pepper.
Perfect. Look at this.
And the Greek colors.
Yes.
Welcome to Naxos.
Magnificent. Now we've got to try it.
Okay. Oh.
ELaiolithos Luxury Retreat, and it is phenomenal. Just behind me here, up on the hill, and I've wandered across to their orchard. There are tons of beautiful olive trees. They're glistening in the sun, and I'm listening to the birds chirping, goat bells ringing. Could not be more perfect. If you want to retreat, if you want to get back to nature, if you want to completely escape your life and really feel like you relax, this is the place to come. I have loved my time here, and I wish we had more time here. Last night we went on a fun little excursion. Helen took us up into a local village in the evening. We met some local tavern owners. They were beautiful, amazing people. I'm going to link their tavern in the notes below so you can see it if you come here. And I highly recommend you do. Naxos is a beautiful island. It's huge. And the beauty of this place is that it's in the center. So if you hire a car, which is very, very easy, I'll also put our hire car details below. So if you want to come here and you want the freedom to drive around and explore and use all of Helen's great recommendations of things to do, which I also recommend, you should 100% do them. It couldn't be better. It's in a crossroad area, so you can drive basically in any direction around the island, and it's always easy to get back. It's not a very long way to anything. I can't speak highly enough. I've loved it. It's magical. Come here is all I can say. It's worth it. It's 100% worth it. Don't worry that you miss anything. You will see everything.